American.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Standard British.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Devonshire.
I've made this TikTok filter.
German.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Scottish.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Geordie.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Brummie.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Yorkshire.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Scouse.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Irish.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Russian.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Cockney.
I've made this TikTok filter, babe.
South African.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Northern Irish.
I've made this TikTok filter.
New Zealand.
I've made this TikTok filter.
British RP.
I've made this TikTok filter.
New York.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Australian.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Welsh.
I've made this TikTok filter.
French.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Southern.
I made this TikTok filter.
Jamaican.
I made this TikTok filter.
West Country.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Spanish.
I have made this TikTok filter.
Canadian.
I've made this TikTok filter.
Dutch.
I have made this TikTok filter. So what I'd like you to do is to make a video. Do the accents. I want to see you do it. Come on.